Hello and welcome. It's the same day as before, as much the same as many other days, but the clouds are in, the trees are helpful, so it's not so beastly hot. So, I'm going to continue to get things out of the car. Oh, I suppose I should unlock it. Oh, that locked it. Okay. All right. There's a cardboard box. I'm going to leave that there because it's all folded up. But then we have a banana box. Oh, yeah. Nothing like a banana box. Come on. And inside, you know what, that doesn't need to be here. Inside the banana box is a bunch of discs. And one of these locked containers that, of course, I don't have the key for. It looks like a lot of copies of things. Let's see if there's anything. Really, it's not very full. Here, I can figure it out. Ooh. I don't know. I'll have to look through these. I will. Anyway, discs. Not very many, but you know, discs. And these containers are always helpful. There we are, discs. Oh. Now, what else is in here? Oh well, here's something always handy and always helpful. It's a Vic-20 command control joystick. Oh, yeah. Lovely. Cable looks good. Now, it's funny, these are great, but I have come upon some that are defective. So you just never know, you know. You just never know, you know. And then this looks to be in pretty fine shape. It is a 1525 printer. It is, and I suppose if I had power here, I could plug this in. I don't see at the moment that it has a ribbon. Oh yeah, it does. It's got a ribbon in there. Okay, the cord is of course tied up in various ways. Let's see now. I do believe that this cord here ta-da, will give us some power. So there it is plugged in, and I will reach around the back and turn it on. Now it kind of went to the middle. I forget. There are switches on these things. Oh, it looks like it's a little tired, but it wants to go back. I do believe. Oh, there it goes. Just needs a little waking up. All right. Well, that's a beautiful hunk of plastic. It's very unyellowed this. Now somewhere on here. Oh yeah. Aha. There is. You can select the device. Oh. But you can also actually ask it to test. So at the moment it is testing and it seems to be doing its thing. But sadly, I don't hear that it is actually trying to print. Like the head is not making any noise here. I wonder. No, it's trying, but it's not doing anything. All right, well, funny. I hear something humming, but I don't think it's here. I think it's across the way. All right. So, we'll put this rather beautiful. You know what? It may be that this printer doesn't work, but it might be a good thing to transplant another one into, because the case is looking quite fantastic. Everything about it looks quite fantastic, but doesn't seem to want to print. Anyway, more explorations are necessary. So I have taken the 8250 inside. I will find a place to put this box too. And we'll do some more digging in here. So, thanks for coming to the driveway. Yeah, I hear a buzz. Anyway, thanks for coming to the driveway. We'll see you again when I take out the next, I guess it's a bin, I think. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.